Hello friend, indeed possessing sound knowledge of financial, economic and social issues is a difficult task, but it becomes more difficult when you sit for framing the possessed knowledge in an answer format within the word and time limit with clarity and effectiveness. In the actual exam, you undergo a lot of challenges. You have the challenge to submit the answers within the time allotted. You have the challenge to write the answers in a much arranged way, keeping in mind the word limit. You have the challenge to write everything in a logical flow flawlessly. And sometimes it so happens that challenges occur due to cumbersome interface that consumes a lot of time of yours and thus doubles your pressure in the exam. And we know under pressure what happens. Even if you know the answers quite well, your efforts fall flat, yielding no result at all. So friend, never let your efforts go ruined. Make a proper strategy which will keep you calm and composed while under pressure in the examination hall. Please keep in mind that your strategy will be subject to change as you happen to see the questions in the exam. Friend, the decision which question is to be attempted on a priority basis is rather difficult, and one who takes the right decision under pressure on the spur of the moment really wins the battle. In the essay section, choose that essay topic that requires current facts and data, because such topics do not require a lot of writing skills. But unlike such topics, abstract topics require creative writing. Abstract topics are fully based on ideas rather than something worldly or concrete, and ideas have no limit at all. There is a vast scope of improvement in conveying ideas effectively in an abstract essay writing. Abstract topics may be related to health, education, democracy, freedom of expression, worship, national brotherhood, etc. etc. So it is suggested that you should avoid such topics until and unless you have no choice. Okay? Friend, once you have chosen the essay topic, never jump start. Don't expect that the essay topics will be straightforward. They are most likely to be tricky. So question yourself before you switch to writing on it, such as what is the essay topic all about? What does the essay topic tell me to write on? What should be the proper format of the essay? Which kind of facts and data it requires? Which way the content should go to so that it must satisfy the topic, etc. etc. Friend, after sparing a few seconds on it, you will find that your hand will not stop short till your answer reaches its word limit within the time allotted. You will definitely feel quite at ease. You will be able to manage the answer from all its aspects, and by virtue of it, your answer will deserve a better score. So friend, your decision before the computer screen matters a lot for a better score in the exam. Hence, develop this skill, and this skill comes after attempting a satisfactory number of mocks. Only 2 to 3 descriptive mocks cannot serve the purpose. You require many mocks based on different topics. Plus, friend, you require not only umpteen mocks but also quality evaluation by experts of the mocks that you submit. Okay, friend, I hope this will definitely help you in the exam, where many challenges surface, causing undue pressure in the examination hall. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.